Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menta usnam palat khandai phongot kinong jingi nakaleng kajela kilawan simenta hakje kob jingi kabasisngi kabala pelong haka arpun reo trek menta unailar hapong krinolen kabran hamal ki shillong ya kabala tep kum ka 13 state swimming competition kabala pelong da Meghalaya Swimming Association ringkat ka jitre lang bat katna sports and youth affairs jong sarkar jela hakani ka je kob naki khandai phongot kinong jingi kar arngot kiri kenthai mari ka je kob lapia ki arbanta kata haka under 14 bat ka senior category kinau jingi ki balawan simenta hakani kasngi ki kenthop ya ki bana ka shnong shela dauki darang na East Jaintia Hills District bat nakani kanung ba shilo komjo na ka Union Christian College bat na ka kanhon yo ka chipai Assam Regimental Center bat ka Assam Valley School hakani ka Jacob jingi ka basisngi ya ka nam most promising swimmer layo do Arindan Pator ya ka nam best swimmer na ki Shinrang Shah Sanjoy Jamatia bat ya ka nam best swimmer na ki Kinthai layo da ka Mayumi Nongrum Hakaje lang sang kusnam hakani kasing laidon kat ru ka director jong katnat sports and youth affairs ikong mat siudor war nongbri ibara long tongsan hakaje lang ban nakalang ka Meghalaya Swimming Association laidon lang ru president ba Jo Marwai.
The following may come forward to receive the trophy. Namir Ahmed, please come forward. Winners, the final of the 50 meters breaststroke men with a timing of 36. The following winners, please get ready. Mayumi Nongrum, Havika Apang, Trisha Barwa, please get ready. The following winners, please get ready. In fact, please come forward when I call your name. Siddhi Kabra, Natasha Nongrum, Mayumi Nongrum. These are the winners of the final of the 50 meters freestyle women.